Chris Smith Restorations are experienced in restoration of antique metalware, including chandeliers, candelabra, bronze, lead and spelter figures, brass, copper and aluminium items, such as aircraft and car models and large naval binoculars. We repair cast iron garden furnishings like fountains, seats and urns. We provide specialist welding and mirror finish polishing to all metals, including brass, copper, steel, stainless and aluminium alloys, including vintage and modern motorcycle parts. Phone to email to discuss your requirements.